Let's get into this final look real quick because this kinky straight hair is given natural, full, and effortless. Starting off with my braiding pattern, I used the beehive method for a flat and secure base. This was not easy to do, but I'm so glad that I actually did something like this. So this is the tools that they gave me, and of course you're going to use a crochet needle. Now let's talk about this Ywigs kinky straight human hair in 22 inches. One thing I love is that it comes with these subtle thread tracks that help the hair lay super natural against the scalp. I left a piece out of my hair, so I am going to be crocheting this through as you see here. And I'm just creating a flat base because, again, you want this to look as natural as possible. And since it is kinky straight human hair, you don't want it to look too bulky. So this is how it looks now. Because this come in individual pieces, it was a little bit challenging because you are putting them in one by one. So I do recommend once you like install the piece, add 2 pieces at a time for the back at least, because no one really going to see how it lays in the back. As long as your top or anything that's seen, that's showing, is laid natural and seamless, it doesn't really matter. So I did do 1 piece at a time. This took forever doing it this way. I am next time when I do install this, I'm going to be sure that I at least add 2 or 3 pieces in the back, and then when I go towards the front, I'll just add 1 piece at a time. Even though my whole head is braided, I did create a leave out. I should have showed that in the beginning or talked about it in the beginning, but there is a leave out on the sides of my hair and also the nape area and also at the top as well. So I will be showing you guys at the end how I did, unbraid these to actually blend in their hair well. I'm so happy that they sent me 6 packs of hair because I really didn't know how many to install. So because this is a lot of hair that they did give me, I really wanted to lay right. And I know I have a lot of hair in my head as well. So for a natural look for me, 6 packs of hair is definitely what was needed. It has about 100 strands per pack. So, you do your judgment. It just depends on how much hair you want to use. Now, again, you can do more leave out than I actually did. The leave out is up to you. If you want to do a leave out, you can. If you don't, I'm pretty sure it'll still come out well. I use a little bit of leave out, like I said, I told y'all where it is placed at, but I will let you guys know, whatever you do leave out, just keep in mind the weather will permit. So like if it's rainy or whatever, and you straighten your hair in the front, it's gonna get freezing. So just be mindful of that. We're just about 3 minutes, 4 minutes into the video, and as you see, I am still installing the back part of my hair. Like I said, I did this one at a time. But anyways, I am unraveling. This is going to be my leave out here, and this is 22 inches. So as you see, my length of my hair ain't too far from it, okay? But anyways, I'm just going to keep on installing. This did take me, I'll say it took me some hours. I can't even say it took a full day, but it took me more than, I'll say, 7 hours to do this. Because this is human hair, I am planning on reusing it, so I am only tying it one time. You don't have to tie 2, 3, 4 times. It really secure on its own with just one little knot that I created here, so that way it can also be easily for me to take it out. I am not cutting it, okay? I'm just gonna be unraveling this one little knot that I did and just gonna be pulling them out one by one. So now we're practically done, but not quite yet. I am taking out the leave out. As you see, this is what I'm going to be leaving out. So I'm just going to be unraveling this braid, and I am trying to see how it blends in with just brushing it all through. So I went on ahead and I am sectioning my hair off so that way I can flat iron it, you know, to touch it up, make it look all good and everything. Now I did decide to use this small flat iron. Y'all, don't recommend. This is a lot of hair on my head, so this small flat iron was not getting it for me. And I only did one pass, so every time I did that one pass, it would frizz back up. So it was like basically I wasn't doing anything. So I went on ahead and ordered a bigger flat iron so that way I can really get this job done. I also realized I missed one important step. That was heat protector. So I went on ahead and I sprayed that on my hair about 6 inches away from my hair. And then I went on ahead and passed the flat iron through. And as you see, it's definitely a big difference. So everything is just flowing together like I'm looking for, okay? am finally done with the installation, y'all. Look how well this came out. It blended so well with my natural hair texture. It's giving blowout realness without the heat damage. So as you see, I did not use a lot of heat on my natural hair, so it will be reverting back. Okay, don't be worried about that. But as you see, this is the final look. I am all smiles. I love how my bang is also laid out as well. And it really looked like my hair would probably look if I really just flat ironed my hair, but we ain't gonna do that yet. So we're gonna go ahead and rock this hair right here. Because I did leave out the edges and everything, I can actually really put my hair up into the ponytail. I can put it to the side as you see here. So I'm just gonna be grabbing my hair and just putting a cute little ponytail just so y'all can actually see how well it blends in with my hair. Ponytail it is. I definitely feel like keeping it like this because, you know, I love my little low ponytails. But anyway, this hair is so thick. As you see, that ponytail is really giving. Okay, so I am going to be fixing my bang up a little, but this is another look that you can do with this hairstyle. But also, as you see, as I lift up that ponytail, you can see my natural hair at the nape as well. So it's giving real hair. Okay, this look like it's all mine, but I know it ain't. But it's okay. It's an illusion. Okay, we're gonna pretend that this is mine. And as you see, as I spread the hair like this, you can see all of the strands individually. So you don't see the tracks, you don't see the little thread that I did have in there. Everything just blends so well. And I'm just going to scoop this to a side little look right here. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also check out my description box for more. And check out Ywigs.com. Bye!